So today we get the fun of cutting all the trees. All those trees you saw in that video, the last video, we get to cut out today. Fun stuff. The temperature's warming up a little bit, so we're probably going to get a lot of snow falling on our head throughout the day coming off these trees. But we still got a lot of branches in the yard, some on the house, but right now we just need to clear the driveway so we can get out if we need to get like emergency or something like that. But for now we're good. We've got gas, we've got water, we're melting snow to flush the toilets and buckets. We've got plenty of prepped water for a situation like this to last us quite a while. So I think today we're just going to work on getting this driveway cleared out. I don't think we'll get it done today. I think it's going to take me 2 or 3 days to clear it out, and probably a few chains. All right, so let's get busy.
Okay. Except for like tiny twigs.
Got the work crew out here, ready to rock and roll, right?
Rock and roller. Wearing my working outside clothes.
I got my chaps on.
Yep.
Because if something happens, we can't get out.
Cool.
Yeah, I guess the ambulance can meet us up at the road, but that's a half mile up.
Yep.
There's gonna be a lot of each one. We got to cut up all the little branches and then dice it up. Well, we got that much done so far. So, what is that? 1/16 of a mile? I don't know. Now we got a lot more to do. Little stuff here. We're just gonna cut these. This would probably thaw and raise up high enough, but I'm still gonna just cut them at the base there. Get them out of the way. Oh dear. Well, we're not getting to that big one that's hanging up today. But we got to get that big one right there down low and all this stuff. A lot of trees about to fall. Got my crew. Well, we made it past the halfway mark.
Woohoo!
So we're getting there. I don't know, we might be lucky and get this done in one day.
Yeah.
We got everybody helping out. It's actually making it go a lot faster.
Yeah, we had to cut a big red oak about halfway up.
Yep, lots of trees for burning later if we want to.
Yeah, I don't think we recorded that one.
Yeah.
And then this way. Can't get the car through yet.
A lot of little stuff.
That's little stuff, thankfully.
Well, hopefully there won't be a big one on the
hill. Yeah.
I need a smaller chainsaw. This
Yeah, that one's too heavy.
This is a big one.
Yeah. So Daddy having to reach up.
This one is the Stihl. Which one is the MS311? So I can't remember if it's one size or two sizes up from the what's it called, the farm horse or something like that. The work farm, workhorse.
Sounds like a good name.
Which is a good chainsaw, but it's just a little bit smaller than this one.
Yeah.
This one has more.
Guess we know what Daddy's gonna get for his next present.
Smaller chainsaw. I got an electric one, but that doesn't do you any good unless you haul a
Well,
generator.
and the power's out.
Yeah.
All right,
we'll
back to work. Pull that one, Blade. Pull that one down. We finished clearing the driveway, and here comes Dan and Miranda up the driveway.
As you see, we got the car pulled out, drove out, victory. And then we had to get one more tree that was back here that I overlooked. It was hanging kind of all over the driveway. So let's head back to the house for some hot chocolate. Anybody in here wore out?
A little bit.